Where's my second pass?
Good evening, Crypto Chaos. Good evening, good evening. I made it. Just barely. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the craziest crypto show on YouTube. And yeah, I'm a little late. just a little. Just trying to fight traffic every day. Getting ridiculous. Hey, how's it going, guys? How's it going? Yeah, back again. G-Dog in the house. Crypto Quint also here. I think things are working. They're kind of working. Yeah, everything's working. Yes, microphone is working. I get paranoid sometimes. I have issues with, of course, the stream. Then it's always something. How's it going, guys? How's it going? Yes, you're late. I am. I know, Strawberry. I'm late. I know. Damn it. I know.
What are you, stupid?
I know. Bitcoin right now sitting at 61,400. A little bit of a nice chop up this morning. And yes, still holding on to about 64,500. Foreign market is still going at it. And of course, they just opened here within last 5-10 minutes, right? The foreign market is now open. And again, if you guys were hanging out with us last night, we called for baseline bear. What we get? We finally were wrong. Let's go. Yes. I've been waiting all year. Oh, finally. The first time in about 4 months, we're wrong. And I'm so tired of winning, guys.
We're gonna win so much, you
So
may
tired.
get tired of winning.
Oh, so tired of winning. So yeah, I'm happy to see this again today. Finally doing something different than just baseline bear. We did actually break out of our baseline target right after about 5-6 o'clock in the morning, and we ran up to touch the tippy top. Tippy, I guess the bottom, run off of where we would have landed anyway on our bull case scenario into last night's open. So yeah, more bullish than bearish last night for sure. All right. Let's see what else we got going on. BTC, if you guys are getting, of course, hear that this morning. Just a quick little update and what we got now. Also, don't forget, we do have the Chaos Crew. If you guys want to join the Chaos Crew and become a member, it's only $15 a month to support the live stream. It's a best way and easiest way to, of course, support me and my journey. Let's take a look and see what the overall markets have for us today as we look at Bitcoin this evening, going into a long weekend. I'm probably going to make this a short one, guys. There's not really much going on. The foreign market is the only thing, of course, participating right now in a larger way. Everyone else in America is pretty much checked out for a long weekend. We have a lot set up for support at 61,300. Again, 61.3. I can always respect the threes. All the way down to 61 flat. And you can see here on the weekly, it's looking bullish on all the time frames now. Of course, the key levels, and it's just looking good, guys. It's the beginning of the month of July, right? Let's take a look and see what a little bit deeper at the weather into the weekend. Good evening, guys. Brave Army Freedom also here. How's it going? Oh geez, we have a crazy event, free long weekend. Yes, a very long weekend. What else is it coming from Cliff? You Wong, finally. I'm finally wrong. Yes, Strawberry. It took forever, but we're finally wrong here on the channel, and I embrace it. Let's take a look here at the overall volume right now. Again, going flat. Again, the entire week mostly sitting around 10 to 12 billion dollars back and forth trading for Bitcoin. Now we're down to about 8 to 7 billion, and it's in the bull's favor finally, going into, of course, the beginning of July. I just showed you guys this right here, of course, holding us up right now 61,300. We're pretty much in a parallel channel between 61,300 and right now 62. Basically, they're holding us back below 62 flat. More than likely, it's going to stop at around 61,800. If we do start to see some again capitulation for the bears into the weekend. I don't know how much of a dick they got to be to do that going into a long weekend, but I'm sure they'll come out either way. All right, we are continuing, of course, the bullishness from this morning. Nothing's really added to it. It's just been, of course, keeping the higher levels on every single higher time frames or higher price action on, of course, these higher and every level. Jeez, stumbling this evening. But you can see here on the weekly, now we're starting to really see some action here, as every time frame, of course, is pretty much looking bullish, not only on the daily, on the weekly, and also on the monthly, as we continue to add, of course, more filling in the gaps between the lows of about 67.7, 68K, to where we are now at about 60,000. So if we do have a good weekend, guys, it's possible we do start to fill this and get, of course, a little bit more of support going into the next week. As long as we have a good weekend, though. I mean, maybe 69K could be support. Again, we really... 69K, wow. 59, wow. So we're too far away from that right now. All right. All right, so that's what we have, of course, adding to the books here. It's not looking too bad here just yet. There's still a little haziness. Still, you know, the possibility of a downturn if we do start to get some Black Swan events into the weekend. Again, you cannot ignore that fact as well, as it's possible we do slip back down to 55K. It is still in the cards, but it's not one that I am playing. All right, let me catch up with you guys in the chat real quick, see how you guys are doing. Welcome back, guys, to the evening live stream. Jesus, I gotta catch up with all you guys. Everything working, says Braveheart. Yes, everything is working. I'm so happy it's all working. I get paranoid sometimes. It's just dead. It's dead. Intro is dead. Says, yeah, Cliff. I had a little bit of a rough start trying to get on the live tonight. You doing a quickie tonight? Yes, I am, Strawberry. It's a quickie tonight. Just a quickie. What's going on, everyone? How's it going? Milk Money. Happy Feed the Fire Friday. Happy Feed the Fire, guys. Braveheart and Freedom says, I lost 7 likes. 4 out of 11 likes. Come on, guys. Can you guys help me find them? Let's get this likes, guys, down in the chat. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you so much, or Braveheart, because I always do forget. Ever since I lost my my shill floppy disk. I don't know where the hell that went. 100% quickly. Quick. I gotta get time. Milk Money is ahead of this time. It's Thursday. Yes, that's right. Happy Thursday. Milk Money says, is it Feed the Fire? No, not yet. Not today. Happy Thursday, Milk Money. It is dire. He looked like a man. We all know. A thing. It reminded me of that too when Strawberry did say that. Everything. Oh, that was actually brave. All right. We'll get back to it, guys. 61,300 on Bitcoin, still going sideways pretty much throughout the entire day after the open this morning. I was before the open, it was at 6 o'clock in the morning. We ran all the way up to about 62.3, got rejected, and then here we are, 61.3, still holding. All right, so that's enough of Bitcoin. Let's get into what's also going on in the overall market. The overall market sentiment this morning, yeah, of course, showed us a little bit more fear. We had a 1 more point drop out today. We ended today at 31 by the end of the day. We're looking at also Crypto Fear and Greed and the Dixie. Crypto Fear and Greed right now sitting at Extreme Fear at 21, coming up from, again, 11 or 12 this morning. So not too bad. We're still in Extreme Fear, but I mean, I don't know, guys. It just seems like it's the same shit, different day. I'm already over it. Most of us are already numb to it, and I continue to buy the dip either way. Yeah, a lot of our assets today did have a decent run. I think most of our coins were up like 2 or 3% in the morning. Pulling back a little bit right now at the foreign market open. Only about 0.25% on average. Let's take a look and see how we're doing with bubbles. And I guess that Dixie. Damn it, gotta look at it. Dixie did come down today, so a little bit. So at least we got that. Still struggling, of course, to keep 101 on the Dixie. We did see a low today of 106.9. It's still too damn high for my liking. Let's take a look at the bubbles. The bubbles today on the daily top 100. Everything's still holding on to those gains. Yes, they are. Everything is green. Hardly a damn thing oversold today at all. Nothing. Even on the weekly, guys, we only have 2 assets. The same 2 we talked about this morning, LAB and WorldCoin. LAB already coming up another 20%. From that pullback we saw last night. Again, shout out to Strawberry for giving us the heads up on the Chaos Crew live stream. Again, guys, only $15 a month if you want to hang out with us and, of course, trade some crypto. Let's take a look and see what's going on here on the weekly. Again, this is mostly where you're going to find most assets oversold here on the monthly, not the weekly. There's nothing on the weekly. There's only 2 on the monthly. Now we have about 6, probably the same 6 I talked about this morning, and most of them are runner-ups. They're not even really oversold. What's really oversold today? VVV, Vcash, Meme Core, still 53% off on the month. And I think that's it. I think we got 3 that are actually considered oversold in my opinion. The rest are, we got some runner-ups here on the monthly. Near Protocol is really close to 30%, 27.5. Not a bad project either. Not a bad pullback either to buy that dip. ADA still is not even down 40. Remember, it was down 40 just the other day. Down 24 in the month now. Huge, of course, rebound here on ADA that we saw today as well. All right, there's nothing really going on, guys. ICP's the next closest up. We got 28% down here on the month, at the beginning of this month on the monthly. Top 200 here on the daily. Velvet down 70% on a single day. Huge pullback. Could be opportunity of a lifetime if you believe in this project. Yeah, you do you, boo-boo. TAC also seeing a little bit of pullback. This had a huge breakout within the last few days. So been crazy watching that one. Also trend here recently on CoinMarketCap. Taking a look at the weekly because there's really nothing else oversold here on the daily. Kites down 26% in BTW, IP Story, and Say. Those are the only 4 assets oversold on the weekly now, guys, on the top 200. There's only 4 now on the weekly on the top 400. It feels like the bottom is in, at least for the month of July. The pain probably already ended at the beginning of the month. Looking at the monthly. Again, 30% off is what we're looking at, or more, to be considered oversold on my channel on the monthly. Chili's, Kite, Track, Humanity Token, Falcon Finance still bleeding. Bill, B-I-L-L, and that's it. So you got about 5 or 6 here as well. Not too many. You have a few runner-ups here. Nothing that I'm really gonna get excited about. Again, ZBEX only 12% off. Like, give me some more blood, right? We just looked at this not that long ago. It was 24% off here on the monthly. I need some more blood, right? I need some more blood in the streets to buy the dip. All right, I'm over it. Again, guys, it feels like everything is already starting to come up in a big way. And, of course, we're starting to flip the oversold assets and move on from here. Again, not financial advice, but it seems like the bottom. We're close to the bottom.
I'd buy that for
Really
$1.
It's like the same shit I was saying back in February, but we're almost at the same damn price anyway. 61,000, 59K, 60,000 flat. It feels like we're at the bottom either way. All right, guys, let's take a look and see what else we have here going on. Let's get into some crypto news. It's going to be a short one, guys, so yeah, bear with me. Let's take a look here and see what's going on with CoinDesk tonight. Let's see. Bitcoin holds above 61,000. Momentum stocks plunge to start the quarter. It looks like everything. I don't know. It's hard to find something that didn't have a good day today. I mean, just looking at random things on the charts. I mean, even SpaceX is up a little bit today. Like down, up from the 156 is up to about 160 right now. Had a 3% move. Most coins had, I would say, on average about 2.5%, 3% move as well in crypto. What else we got? Even gold and silver had a decent day. Dixie kind of whatever, still holding on to 100. I don't like it. But yeah, I think it's about it. I was trying to see the SP 500. I think we still landed at like what, still 7,005, 7,004. Where the hell is the SP 5? 7,483. So even that had a bit of a jolt today as well. Again, coming up another almost a full percent on the day, right? Almost 0.77% on the day. All right. What else we got? Next phase of digital assets is agentic. Trust will decide who scales. That's whatever. It's a sponsored ad. Ondo Finance debuts SEC aligned tokenized stock model with BlackRock's ETF Micron shares. Solana launches on-chain governance and sets an entry fee for 100,000 Solana staked. Jeez. Struggling NASDAQ listed company. Again, we read most of these this morning. Everyone's already checked out, guys. The news is fleeting, right? It is non-existent today. Non-existent. We had a lot of good news already this week, so you can't really complain. Russia on track for a digital ruble rollout on September 1st, as their central bank, of course, puts out that information. Central bank as according to their central bank governor. EU authorities are already preemptively sanctioned Russia's digital ruble in 2025 as part of the measures in response to the country's war against Ukraine. All right, I don't think we need to get into all that. What else? Give me something juicy. Bitcoin taps new July high above 62K on the week jobs data. Again, that was at the beginning of today. And it actually happened earlier than the open. It actually happened at 6 a.m., 3 hours before the open. FBI director discloses a strategy holdings month after deadline. We already mentioned that. Of course, Cash Patel doing some shady things. Or is he doing some shit? I don't know. He's going to do whatever he's going to do. I don't want any part of it. Okay. Anything else? I guess we can jump in over to Man, I'm kind of running out of options here, guys. The news is flat tonight. Cryptonews.com. FBI Director Cash Patel to undisclosed strategy investment. As I just mentioned, the same shit we already covered this morning. Again, all these are hours and hours and days old anyway. All right, crypto news over on X. I guess X is going to give it to you. We're going to jump over there. Guys, it's only 8:20. I'm speed running this tonight. All right, let's take a look and see what else we have here. Catch up with you guys in the chat. I'm already in the X post. Okay, Milk Money says, happy Thursday. Damn, I'm off. And like that, huzzah. Milk Money exits the chat. Brave Farming Freedom says, it's a good thing, Milk. You're one of the day closer to the weekend than I am. The days are all blend together, 100%. They all blend together now. Milk Money 25. Past a few hours, I've been off in a little ways too, and I assume that yesterday's drugs are still rolling off because yeah, Cliff was down under. He was put under yesterday. All the drugs. Brave Harvey Freeman says, let's sweat it out, Cliff. Yes, sweat it out. Hope you're doing fine, my friend. Hope you're doing fine. SpaceX AI long-term bullish AF. Yeah, I mean, long-term, yeah. It's going to do very well. Short-term, I wouldn't want to be holding it until after August. I'll just say that. Maybe a little after August. Maybe start next year. The Matrix is fluid. It seems to change rapidly. Says Brave Farming Freedom. Brave Farming 100% Braveheart. Shout out from Cliff. Going to flush the sweat out. Sweat it out. Yes. Drink lots of fluids, my friend. The pizza alert. Oh no. Oh no. Pizza alert? What? That's a new one. What pizza alert? Official statement from Domino's. Domino's Pizza announced the end of the physical pizzas. Shut up. Shut up.
Are you stupid?
Because yeah, PlayStation announced, of course, going all digital from here on out, ceasing, of course, to manufacture physical discs. In response to the trends in the gaming industry, the 1st of April 2027, Domino's will cease production of physical pizzas and shift to production of digital pizzas only. Yeah. That's funny. That's funny. You, Cliff, you. You're always on top of things, my friend. All right, let's see what else we got here over on crypto Twitter. See if there's anything else breaking in crypto. Bitcoin Magazine covered this 2 hours ago. Posted, President Trump says crypto is a big deal. Anything we want to do will be #1, and we're going to be #1 in crypto. I think this is old. I swear this is old. Bitcoin Magazine, come on. Quit doing that. I'm gonna have to get rid of you on my channel, man. All right, BitcoinTreasuries.net says just in Wall Street analyst Mark Palmer just said in CNBC strategy MSTR could surge $570 by the end of the year if Bitcoin reaches $95,000. Strategy's capital structure is remarkably strong position if Bitcoin price were to increase from here. All right, I don't think we need to. Yeah, listen to that soundbite. I feel like we already listened to something similar this morning. Justin, SEC Chairman Paul Atkins delivered a speech on the Clarity Act as of 4 hours ago from Bitcoin Magazine. Is that true? Is it really just in? I cannot trust them anymore. We're taking historic steps to modernize the rules and regulations of facilitate markets moving on chain. I swear this is old. I swear we talked about this like 2 or 3 months ago. All right, I can't. I'm gonna have to just unfollow them, guys. This is getting ridiculous. I can't. I just can't. All right, unfollow. Sorry, guys. You just keep spamming me with stuff I already know. Just in, 4.7 trillion. JP Morgan warns MicroStrategy's strategy is creating a new risk for the Bitcoin market. This is the same headline we covered this morning as well. I need something new, juicy, man. Something new. It just seems like everyone's checked out. Everyone's checked out. Old. Yeah, Max Kaiser interview. Like, everything's old. Circle fires back on Coinbase as 140 firms back the OUSD rival, and people are moving away from the big boys a little bit there. Again, Tether has their work put out for them now that they're not part of European countries' MiCA license. So yeah, that's going to be interesting to see how they're able to keep their market cap afloat with. I don't know, 25% of the market? I don't know what that statistic would look like. This week at Goldman Sachs Digital Asset Conference in London, I discussed Bitcoin, digital credit, and the future of capital markets. This is from Michael Saylor as of 5 hours ago, showing, of course, a little bit of his magic. He's always speaking somewhere, guys. Justin Bloomberg Intelligence says there's a 60% chance that the Clarity Act passes this month, but not Polymarket. Long market's now sitting at a 41% chance. We're up at least from 39. That was the low we saw just this morning and of course yesterday. 39% up down to 41. We're supposed to be getting the markup on the 4th. That's what of course Cynthia Lummis wanted to happen in her latest. I don't know where she is with that now. I'm gonna ask Google real quick, or AI, DuckDuckGo AI, sure, why not? Is the Clarity Act markup still scheduled for the 4th of July? I'm imagining it's not going. If I were to be a betting man. Clarity Act markup is not scheduled for July 4th. Instead, the White House is targeting the date for the overall passage of the act, which again, I think their date right now is sometime in August when they get back from this another break. All right. Where was I? I already lost my page. Damn it. Oh, here it is. Bitcoin bear markets are brutal. This is coming from Jack Muller as of 3 hours ago as well. He's teasing this. Ego gets punished, leverage gets punished, fraud gets punished, illusion gets cleared. But if you let them, they will make you better. Do not ask Bitcoin to be gentle. Ask it to be honest, and then become the type of person who can handle the truth. You can't handle the truth. Well, if you're holding Bitcoin for long enough, I think you can handle the truth. God. All right.
Utility and the entropy from the
I think that realistically, though, the bear market doesn't really punish people. To me, it's always rewarded me. I always feel like I thrive most in the most chaotic environment. Of course, the bear market is a pretty good test of chaos. Again, most of the mistakes you make in the bear market are easily redeemable once the market turns back around, as long as you don't sell. All right, let's see what else we have here. Solana just gave itself a formal government. Ooh, Solana governance proposals were on the live on the mainnet. The network's first binding stake-weighted voting system. Again, it was 100,000. Yeah, at least 100,000 Solana to submit a proposal worth roughly $7.8 million at current prices. Getting a vote requires 15% of the active stake to signal support. Passing needs at least 2/3 supermajority of participating stake. This is scary stuff, man. This means you can just vote and pay to vote for governance. I don't like this. This only covers direction and not implementation. Actual proposal changes still go through Solana's existing technical review process. Okay, separate from the vote. I'd have to know more, but yeah, I guess if it's still largely I don't. This is why I like Bitcoin the most. It's just you don't have to worry about too much of this centralized activity going on. Okay, now the National Organization of Black Law Enforcement Executives now becomes the first major law enforcement organization to publicly endorse the Clarity Act per Eleanor Terrett. He came out and said this, really? Here on July 1st, which was yesterday. Honorable Majority Leader John R. Thune. Dear Leader Thune and Leader Schumer, on behalf of the National Organization of Black Law Enforcement Executives Noble, one, I thank you for the continued commitment to strengthening the public safety while addressing the opportunities and challenges present in the emerging technologies. All right. I'm not gonna read the whole damn thing. This tiny print hurts my eyes.
What are you, stupid?
Oh, jeez. I think this is it, guys. I think we hit a wall. Pretty damn early tonight. Again, everyone's checked out. You can definitely tell. I mean, I'm pretty much checked out at this point. Ain't nothing going on. I'm happy to see the markets at least being, on good behavior, right? We did see Bitcoin hold 61,000 a day. We saw Ethereum hold pretty much damn near 1,700, right? It's a good correction. I think it's a good correction. We're coming up in the right direction, and hopefully we'll all see a big crypto erection.
Are you stupid?
Okay. I'll move on. Let me catch up with you guys in the chat, guys. Hope you're having a happy Thursday, pseudo Friday for, of course, anyone off tomorrow. I salute you. Have a great day tomorrow. It's gonna be fun. We'll still wake up and we'll do a little bit, but even tomorrow morning, guys, is gonna be dead. So we're gonna probably do a really short show again tomorrow. It's just gonna be mostly covering what happened already in the foreign market open, and then of course we're gonna be sitting on the hands waiting for Monday. Monday. Teeny Weeny Heart Attack says, Jake the Snake. Wow. Milk Money, shout out to Tiny Mouse. Yes, hope Tiny Mouse is doing okay as well. Yes. Ripping peace down. He's not dead, Jake. He's not dead. Not yet. Jesus. Teeny Whiny Heart Attacks. Allegedly. Alondra says, good evening all. Hit the like for more chaos. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Juicy PSA, illegal Yardbird. What is this clip? What? KFC will stop offering its physical format starting today.
Through its app in fake PNG format.
Oh, no! Everything physical is going away. My God. Yes, we live in a digital society now. Yes. We've been, of course, a huge champion here on the channel for digital money. Jeez. Man, you guys are something else tonight. Okay, Gamma God says, good evening, Otaku Sound Chaos crew. Hope everyone's doing well. Yes, hope you are having a great day, Gamma, as well. PC Mag as well. Wow, even PC Mag is pushing official statement to respond to the trends of media and industry. We are no longer updating at PCMag.com, our leading tech journalist and product reviews website. Effective immediately, our content will be accessible via 2 distinct methods only. Through AI neural network or a mail-in subscription due on 3.5-inch floppy disks. Oh, that's funny. Upgradable to CD-ROM for only $5. Jesus. Everyone's having some fun. Speaking of having some fun, the market's starting to have some fun. My phone's going off with a ooh, looks like a pullback on AI. Let's take a little segue here over here as we are now attempting to. I think my order got filled. To test the trend line here, see if we can break down a little further. I want to get down here, guys. I can taste it. You guys. I've been talking about this return to 2.8 for the last 2 days. Let's do it. All right, let's see who's buying. The dip on some of these assets. I know there's not much in the last 24 hours, but we did come back quite a bit on AI and Gwei, and I have been, of course, adding a little bit more every single. I wouldn't say every single hour, every few hours, I add a little bit to my position, we are testing another, point of entry right now, point of control at the trend line. Let's take a look and see, what do I got to buy tonight? I've already bought plenty. I've already got plenty of everything. A little bit more AI, sure, why not? I'll just buy, how about like 5,000 coins? How about that? How's that? 2,500. Yeah, that's a better number. Like, I don't want to go too crazy yet. We could still come back to 2.8. I think I still have an order. Yes, I do. I have an order down there, about 10,000 coins to buy at 2.8, and then another 10,000 coins to buy at about 2.75. So hopefully those will hit. Hopefully those will hit soon. Soon, yes. You just never know, guys. We may not even get it. It might actually continue to hold here, but I doubt it. All right, so also taking a look at Gwei, since we're talking about that tonight as well. Some of these other coins, of course, we champion here on the channel. We are still holding. We're still holding support right now, just barely at 12.4. At 12.4. Again, the next level down will be about 12 cents flat. And again, I'm a big buyer of Gwei underneath 12 cents. I think that's the value area zone we've been waiting for on that pullback. And again, we've been buying most of this in the past 2 pullbacks right around 9 and 10 cents. So I'm a buyer all day at 9 or 10 cents. But Gwei could just stop the pain at about 12. So I'm a buyer there too. All right. That's what's going on with the 2 assets right now. I've been pushing pretty hard on my channel lately, as of late. Making some money in the bear, guys. Making some money in the bear. All right, let's get back over to you guys in the chat. Finish up over here. Then we got to get into what's going on with the normies. A hydrogen collider is making you think Tiny Mouse exists. Oh shit, Jake. Damn, you're making me rethink my friendships now. It may not be. Was he? I'm pretty sure he's real. Shill Harder says, Jake the Snake, guys, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, do all the things down below, and don't forget to also check us out on the Patreon, as we have a good time over there as well, hanging out with you guys, as you guys, of course, are a big part of the chaos. I can't do this without you guys. You guys are, of course, the most chaotic thing on my channel. Jake the Snake, of course, is living proof of that.
Hail the King of Ohio!
Yes, sir. Fiat is dying. Crypto signs. Yes, crypto is, of course, the digital revolution. of money. Buy Gwei AI and AI lower, says Jake. Zama 3 cents is still a good deal. Ooh, yes, I've been picking up some Zama too. I agree 100% with you, Jake. We had a nice pullback today. I'd like to see it lower, but yeah, 3 cents on Zama is not bad either. We got to come out a little lower, retest the trend line, get a nice bounce. These, you've noticed, guys, both these three assets are on very long retest of trend lines right now. Yeah, and they're near bottom, so not a bad place to be buying some of this dip. Will President of the United States at 47 be signing something like this 4th of July as well? I don't know. I don't know. I sent a lot of executive orders recently. I'm sure he has something saved for the big day. I don't know. We'll find out on Saturday. Strawberry is trying to summon a dark. What? What? Chocolate. Big chocolate. What? I don't think so. I think Strawberry is happily married. Jake. Oh my god. All right. I got a fat order on the Gwei, going lower. I think I do Gwei, right? Yeah. AI Gwei, yes. I think I have orders on every damn coin, going a little bit lower just in case. Gamma God says, hey Strawberry, yes. The Jake the Snake Whisperer, Cliff, shout out to Braveheart, the fries, the Milk Money, yes, don't forget Milk Money. Andra, CQ, GD, and Banana Republic. Gamma Goddess, of course, welcomes you back, guys. Thank you so much for coming out and supporting me and my channel. And the Chaos Crew, of course, lives on. We're not dead, guys. So we never shut down the channel. It's all just nonsense and noise. DeLorean Lab announcement breaking. Ooh, are we finally gonna get a new version of the DeLorean? Oh my God, they're done with the physical DeLoreans as well. What the hell, guys? I actually had a DeLorean toy on my desk here somewhere. I don't even know where it went. My whole life's a mess right now. But yeah, consumers will be able to download our full range of iconic digital DeLoreans and enjoy them in an entirely virtual sense. Everyone's trolling now. Damn. Everyone's running with the meme. Looks like Decavarius Jamal III knows his bottoms. I guess. I shorted Solana, Otaku. Really, Jake? Really? Did Solana fall off at $80? That would have made you some decent money if it did. Solana, nope. It is still going. What the hell, Jake? What the hell? Jake coming with a $2 super link. Let's take a look at the hyperlink Jake has got for us. Oh my God. For the Republic! I still like execute Order 66, or my favorite line from the Emperor Palpatine. Do it. Do it. Just buy the dip. Do it. Okay. What the hell, Jake? For the Republic. Jeez. Jeez. Okay, Cliff. Sit, play, respond. Sit, play, respond. With physical disc, respawn. What the hell is this one? Respawn. Physical official statement of their physical products going away. Thank God. All right, everyone. Wow, everyone, of course, is replying to, the physical discs from Sony no longer going to be present in the near future for at least a new console. JK6 says, for the Banana Republic. Okay. We all need the banana. Yeah, we're all waiting for the banana. We all want to eat the sweet banana. It's just taking a long damn time. Yeah. It's taking a long damn time. All right. Okay, the floppy still existed before CERN and LHC shut down. Your DeLorean too. That's right. I still have it. I gotta unpack it when I get to Florida. It's somewhere in a box. Probably above my car in a car top carrier. It's in my car's hobo basket. Yeah, that's where it is. Cliff says, yeah, another hyperlink here as well. Oh my gosh, guys, you guys are blowing it up tonight. Mad lads. What? 67 retweets. What? Oh, and voice mad. Wow. Voice mod. That's yeah, one of my favorite one of my favorite troll tools. Voice lab. Voice mod. All right. Another coin's popping off, guys. I just can't get a break, I guess. 3% on Gwei down. It looks like we finally broke 2.4. Yes, we did. We just lost 12 cents 4. Now we're at 12 cents 2. Time to be, of course, buying a little bit more of that dip. I'll be buying some right now with you. On the Gwei. Oh no. Let's see. Come on, come on. How many more orders do I have open for to buy Gwei? Oh, I still have some more at 11.7, 11.6, 11.9. I could buy some right now too. Why not? Screw it. Oh, let's buy some more of the Gwei. Are you guys not Gwei enough? I don't think you're Gwei enough. You're not Gwei enough to handle this pullback. Ooh, 12 cents 7. 12 cents 1.8. Yeah, 1.8. Buying some of this Gwei. Buying some more of this Gwei. Alright, I'll just buy a little bit right there. And I got plenty of orders below that as well. Alright, anything else happening, guys? Yes. Anything else happening? Game sir. Jesus, everyone's participating in this ridiculous meme. Like they've never noticed that we were going to go into a physically ridden era, right? Everything going digital. Of course, if you're in crypto in the last 5-6 years, you already know where we're going. GameStar will cease production of physical copies of controllers and shift to digital controllers only. We've had them before too. Yeah, I don't like them. I don't like them. I can't stand using a touch screen, let alone digital controller on your screen that you click on. No. Okay, and AppWrite. Man, Cliff. Damn, everybody. I feel like I might have missed another one too. AppWrite also responding to everything going digital. Oh my God. Wow. We're excited to see what developers build, especially their own burnout. All digital. What the hell? No one wants to pay for the operating costs, the manufacturing costs of these discs. That's basically what it comes down to on everybody. This was Tazura Games, which I'm not familiar at all. I mean, unless there's a game I'm affiliated with it, I'm not affiliated. Forever Physical? Tarosoritos? What? all right. That's probably one of those. I know. What was it? Forever Physical? That's actually. What is it? That one video game company. Damn it. What was it called? It's like. They make like all the remakes of every game. Remake games. Physical. I mean, it's Forever Physical is literally their tagline. What the hell is it? Forever Limited. Limited Run. Is it Limited Run? Isn't that the name of the company? It's been forever since I ordered anything from Limited Run. I'm pretty sure that's them. Limited Run. I wonder if what their response is. Limited Run Games, right? Yeah. I'm sure they have a good one. I'm sure they have a good response to that because their entire tagline is Forever Physical. Okay, that's what I was thinking of. All right, anyway, moving on. Okay, guys, we gotta get back to Holy crap! Cliff found another one. All right. I gotta continue. I got maybe 5 more minutes, guys, to give you guys the rest of the spiel and then get into crypto chaos this evening for Chaos Magic, where Bitcoin's likely going to go by tomorrow morning, as the foreign market, of course, has one more trading session in store for the next 12 hours. All right. So yeah, we do have, of course, the normie searches today. Only, of course. Holy Toledo Batman, still just nothing but sports. As the football continues. Tobey Maguire is getting searched for some reason. I don't know why. I don't think the new movie has anything to do with him. And then Cardinals versus Braves, sports, normies, other sports, all over the place, sports. And is there anything of value here? No. Fireworks near me, and we're 2 days away from 4th of July. All right, guys, of course, the normies get a F tonight. Again, tracking the normies. Following the money, you follow the normies, we follow the money. And ain't no money there. they don't care. All right. That's definitely not a top single right now. Let's take a look and see what's going on the last 7 days of Bitcoin being searched at the morning opens. Again, Monday was still the best on the 29th. Then we had Tuesday, Wednesday, and, of course, today, Thursday. A little better today, even though the market was closed. Tomorrow is closed tomorrow. We still had, I guess, the last Friday, the pseudo Friday, being a decent day. 73 on the peak there. Again, nothing quite like, I mean, even last Friday was 82 against the curveball we got thrown on Monday. All right, let's take a look and see what's going on the rest of the, other assets. The top 5, of course, crypto searched coins on Google. Interesting that we do see, Bitcoin has always taken the top slot, but we are seeing a bit of everything pop off today at the morning open. This is actually before the morning open. That's actually the morning open right around here. It's a universal time, so it's a few hours off. But yeah, we did see before the morning open, probably like 6 o'clock in the morning, when Bitcoin did hit that what was it, 62,000, and we had a huge spike in interest on people searching for Solana, XRP, and Doge. Surprisingly, more on Solana than Doge or Ethereum. Ethereum had a little bit of a spike there too. Kind of out of the ordinary. It's not typically seeing spikes that parallel with Bitcoin in the exact scale. Interesting. Nonetheless. All right, guys, let's take a look and see where we're going tonight. Bitcoin, of course, as yesterday we were wrong. Finally, yes, finally we were wrong. As I'm tired of being right, guys. I'm so tired of winning. All right, Bitcoin right now, of course, behaving or as of right now in the foreign market open. We could definitely take a look real quick, just briefly. What's going on right now in South Korea? It's been really shaky over here lately. My browser crashed. Okay, there we go. It's been really shaky here lately with the South Korean open. We won't have Bloomberg until like midnight or 1 o'clock in the morning here. But Asia markets open mixed as a chip slump weighs on sentiment. As of an hour ago, this was, of course, how the opening felt for the stock market. Again, we're watching that carefully. Asia Pacific markets traded mixed on Friday as investors continue rotating out of technology stocks and tracking declines in the United States. Japan's benchmark, the Nikkei, was down almost a full percent at the open, while the Telpix is up about 30.34%. The South Korea's Kospi rose about 1%, so not too bad. Recovering slightly. Again, I mean that's a decent actually for the whole market, the whole Kospi. So yeah, the Kospi index declined 1.12%. What the the Kosdaq? Okay, the Kosdaq, not the Kospi. Okay, the Kospi's up and the Kosdaq is down. Okay, all right, moving on. All right. So with that being said, guys, where Bitcoin likely going to go tonight? Let's see. Again, the overall foreign market so far is kind of holding steady, I guess so.
What are you, stupid?
Let's see where Bitcoin's likely going to go tonight. Let's clean up the board and do it all again. Let's see if we can get it wrong 2 days in a row. That would be freaking amazing. It'd be exciting. Finally getting it wrong here on the channel. It's been 4 months, guys, since we had, of course, a little bit of a shake-up back in March, right? Back in March. All right, let's get this into place again and show you where likelihood of Bitcoin will go again into tomorrow morning. Friday. Right now we're looking at about 8:45. Yep, 8:45. We're gonna jump right onto that. Come on, hell, that's not. I'm on the 15-minute. Okay, yeah, man, get me to 9 o'clock at night. Damn it. There we go. 9 o'clock at night. We're starting right there. All right. Baseline target for this evening. Baseline. Let's see if we can at least try to keep this going nice and steady here until about 10 o'clock. Rip that up to about 62,000. Again, we're going into the last foreign market trading session, right? That's where we are right now, midnight. We're about lunchtime in the foreign market. 63K on a baseline breakout. That'd be nice to see, I guess, on a baseline target. I don't want to get too crazy here. Maybe we get one more push finally to about 63.6. Again, always respect the 3s, the 6s, and the 8s. We started rolling that down right around 3 o'clock in the morning, even though last night we actually continued after 6 a.m. We've only seen that happen in the last few months, maybe 3 times. So it's been kind of an anomaly that we saw that last night. All right, let's see if we get a continuation of something like that similar, and there we are by the morning open, which is, of course, America's. New York Stock Exchange is going to be closed for tomorrow. That's going to be our baseline target, baseline for Bitcoin. Bear case scenario. Ooh, fun stuff, good times. We're going to break 59K, I would say, by probably 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning. Let's see if we can start grinding that down. Hitting that at about 2:30 and then breaking on through, hitting 59K. And if we lose 59K, then we're going back down to, what was it, 57.7. This is a huge drop for our bear case scenario on Bitcoin. Yeah, we're definitely gonna see some fun. I don't know what would cause that. Again, Iran not playing ball, more bombs, breaking ceasefires. China comes out and says they approve the Russian ruble as their second or third primary currency for their country to facilitate payment for goods and services. I mean, there's all sorts of crazy stuff. I don't know if that would be bad for Bitcoin, though, to be honest. It would definitely shake the world market at first. Anyway. So yeah, that's what we're looking at for a bear case scenario. Bull case scenario, we're gonna rip. We're gonna rip till about 3 o'clock in the morning, and maybe we get to about 66K if we just do a straight flight. Damn. And maybe there's nothing to pull us back tomorrow because America not going to be too much of an asshole if they're closed tomorrow, I'd imagine. All right, that's going to be our bull case scenario for Bitcoin. Yeah, not too crazy. I feel like I need to pull back my baseline a little bit. Yeah, let's pull this back a little bit. Maybe only respecting the top of that. Yeah, there. And then we're going to pull that into about our baseline. There we go. That's better. That's a lot more even. All right. That's our base case scenario. And then we're going to, of course, do super bull and super bear case. Super bear case sends us down to about the 55K level for Jake. And we continue the pain down to about 50K. Again, we've seen the super bear case only one time before on the channel. And that was, of course, a 2.5 event. Not even in June did we see that happen again. All right, come on. It was pretty bad month of June. What colors here? Come on. Give me. There we go. Super bear. Super bull case scenario. We are 61,300, so it would be about 72K on a super bull case rip. Again, we saw 3 of those last year. We haven't seen any in a long time since last summer. So it's about that time we start to see some sort of fun rips. Again, 72K. Look at that fun candle. I'd love to be wrong in that direction. All right. Here we go. Super Bowl. Every scenario is on the board now. Where are we likely to go, guys? Closest without going over. Again, probably going to be baseline bear, as it has been. But as of recently, baseline bull is not out of the question after we saw last night. It's possible we do see a baseline bull. It's been a while since I even been bullish enough to even say those words. We are getting into a really positive month usually for Bitcoin. Most of the rip again came from the foreign market open last night as well, going into Wednesday, Thursday, and this has been nothing but up since 3 o'clock in the morning. Here where we are, and we ripped all the way into a hiss before the morning open, about 62K from 59 at the open last night. So it's possible that we do see a similar type of a rip, although I'm not going to be betting on it. I'm probably going to be, of course, back to my usual, baseline bear, guys. Baseline bear. More along the baseline target than anything. I definitely don't think we're gonna get that bearish, right? I don't think we're gonna get that bearish. Maybe if anything, we get a little bit of a jolt down here, and then we get to see our work back up. But for the most part, I think it's mostly gonna follow the baseline for the most part. Either way tonight. All right, guys. So yeah, that's where we are tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed the channel as per usual. Thanks again for liking, subscribing, and supporting me. Yeah, we're gonna do it all again tomorrow morning for our brief morning open, as the morning will not open with us. We're gonna be opening without the New York Stock Exchange. Have a great one, guys. Oh my God, Cliff is still finding more of those. Holy crap. Have a good night, guys. I'll see you all again tomorrow morning. Stay safe. Have a great day. And hopefully you have a day off tomorrow. Everyone deserves a day off. Have a good one, guys. Later.
Fly me to the moon. Let me trade among the stars. Let me see what freedom's like without money and gold bars. Hold my key. Oh! Another.
Oh my God, Cliff, you're going crazy tonight with these. This is insane, Cliff. Oh wow, $20 super chat coming in hot when Tito's were on the outro. Jeez. Oh man, Frog, who is an adulted frog concubine these days? This make up his headpiece, Frog. Live speak, totally confirmed. What the hell? What the hell? It looks like he's having a good time. It's a frog and drag, I guess. What the fuck?
What are you, stupid?
What the heck? Cliff, you're insane, my friend. What's really funny though is running with scissors. I haven't heard about this. I think this is the studio behind going postal, isn't it? Running with scissors. I don't know. It definitely sounds familiar. In this response to trends in gaming industry, we just wanted to inform everyone that gaming industry is totally, really, royally fucked beyond repair. Have a postal day. Yeah, they are behind going postal. I remember that game back in the day. About a lot of controversy. That one, yeah, a lot of controversy. Oh my God. All right. And then wrestling, of course. WE will stop having physical wrestlers to enter the ring. They will now all be digital as well. That's such a fun meme to play with. All right, guys. I'll see you all again tomorrow morning. Have a great day. Stay safe. Don't do anything stupid.
What are you, stupid?
Don't do anything stupid.
What are you, stupid?
Don't replace everything in your house with. Well, I kind of did. Damn it. I'm going all digital, guys. See you later. Peace.
Watch the cash burn, lead fade. A new world rises, we've made the trade. The robots are rising, he's taking the crown. But we're the ones that will back down.